When you sell in desperation, you always sell cheap. Remember, things are never clear until it's too late. The old Wall Street adage, never invest in anything that eats or needs repairs, may apply to racehorses, but it's malarkey when it comes to houses. A person who owns property and has a stake in the enterprise is likely to work harder and feel happier and do a better job than a person who doesn't. When looking at the same sky, people in mature industries see clouds where people in immature industries see pie. Stocks you trade, it's wives you're stuck with. Find something you enjoy doing and give it everything you've got, and the money will take care of itself. Invest in what you know. Primes are the atoms of the number system. Every whole number is a product of primes. This is one of the keys to successful investing. Focus on the companies, not on the stocks. A technique that works repeatedly is to wait until the prevailing opinion about a certain industry is that things have gone from bad to worse, and then buy shares in the strongest companies in the group. Most individual investors would be better off in an index mutual fund. More than 800,000 Americans file for personal bankruptcy every year. While catching up on the news is merely depressing to the citizen who has no stocks, it is a dangerous habit for the investor. I'm always on the lookout for great companies in lousy industries. A great industry that's growing fast, such as computers or medical technology, attracts too much attention and too many competitors. If you're considering a stock on the strength of some specific product that a company makes, the first thing to find out is, what effect will the success of the product have on the company's bottom line? Once I've established the size of the company relative to others in a particular industry, next I place it into one of 6 general categories: slow growers, stalwarts, fast growers, cyclical, asset plays, and turnarounds. It's best to divide your money among 3 or 4 types of stock funds: growth, value, emerging growth, etc., so you'll always have some money invested in the most profitable sector of the market. My diaries are full of such missed opportunities, but the stock market is merciful. It always gives the nincompoop a second chance. This is a crucial safeguard of our capitalist system, because if shareholders could be sued whenever a company made a mistake, people like you and me would be afraid to buy shares and become investors. Never invest in any company before you've done the homework on the company's earnings prospects, financial condition, competitive position, plans for expansion, and so forth. When we say this, we're assuming you are a long-term investor who is determined to stick with stocks no matter what. By putting your stocks into categories, you'll have a better idea of what to expect from them. Consider the size of a company if you expect it to profit from a specific product. The stock market demands conviction as surely as it victimizes the unconvinced. My advice for the next decade: keep on the lookout for tomorrow's big baggers. You're likely to find one. This is investing, where the smart money isn't so smart, and the dumb money isn't really as dumb as it thinks. Dumb money is only dumb when it listens to the smart money. Share of stock is not a lottery ticket. It's part ownership of a business. Ultimately, it is not the stock market nor even the companies themselves that determine an investor's fate. It is the investor. Only invest what you could afford to lose without that loss having any effect on your daily life and foreseeable future.